Sela ukubingelela umqondisi omkhulu uMama Gumede as our guest coming from head office, the staff in the district, from all offices esinawo district. Siphinde sibingelele bona laba bamphambi wethu abathi mana la ngikutshele that I must say, but one, we meet when we have to do work and then think that we belong to work. We don't belong to work, we belong to ourselves. We belong to our culture. Kufanele sithole isikhathi sokuthi siphinde sihlangane as abantu sikhumbuzane ukuthi siyabantu, kufanele sibe nobuntu, sikhumbule our languages. Ngingaloko ngipintsheke njalo ngithi sanibona fanele ngikwendi yani nani njani mase ngikhuluma ilanguage yase States nokugqoka nje ukuthi bekunesikhathi kuvumeleka bengizofanele ngiphinde ngikhombise la izintombeni ukuthi eStates kushelwa kanjani ngikubambe nje ngikufuquzise la phansi ngikuthini that is who we are, that is what we are, but we are coming today to celebrate ourselves. Kutheke mangabe kucelwa lolusuku umqondisi omkhulu eluvuma ukuthi I know singalisebenzisa sajabula kakhulu ukuthi we are going to meet as a district, celebrate ourselves. Ngizocela ukuthi each one of us akekho bheke omunye la ukuthi wenzani. Sizo celebrate ngalendlela esifuna manga but ugadi ukuthi mase uyolala amadolo azobe senjani kulaleke mase ukodwa uyolala. Ngiyamxoxela ke umqondisi omkhulu la ukuthi hayi angiboni kwanini ngibe sothi ngiyaniscana hayi you have changed those engibaziyo. I took time to some ukubabona well ngibone edoli ngoba wena boshada to one. Ama celebrations lawa aqhubeke because they unite us. Kungabi into yokuqala, kungabi into yokugcina. I-committee nje mayizana whatever suggestion to the office, I will agree to that. Ayikho into engiyithukayo ukuthi hayi manicabanga ukuthi ngicabanga ukwenza ukuthi kuthiwa hayi udirector unqabile kungakaze kufike nokufika. Kuvuliwe amasango avuliwe. If you want to do whatever a celebration that is going to bring us together, ngiyanika imvume siyabonga.